Good evening, everyone. I'm Sage Cope, and this is my experience at the Duke Pre-College Mock Trial course. Once again, I'm Sage Christopher Cope. I come from Cary, North Carolina, and I came to this program because in the future, not too distant future, I want to become a lawyer. Throughout this program, there's a lot of knowledge I've learned, such as the laws of our country, how our legal system actually functions both on a state level and a federal level, and the differences between a civil and criminal case, giving a lot of insights on the regulations and procedures of each. I also learned about some of the terminologies and terms in the legal space, such as a precedent, and a lot of the different roles which people actually take within a trial, such as the plaintiff, the defendant, the judge, and the jury, and all those different roles. And finally, another important thing I learned is the different hierarchies of our legal system, starting at the highest, the Constitution, the statutes and legislation, regulations, and some other procedures at the bottom. Next, I gained a lot of skills in this program, ranging from things such as how to become an effective debater, how to become an effective, persuasive debater and make a good argument, how to have good examination and interrogation techniques, and how to analyze a situation from many different perspectives rather than being self-centered about things. Next, my two main inspirations throughout this program were from the two films we watched, The 12 Angry Men and Just Mercy. Throughout these movies, I saw how exactly people should act and perform throughout a courtroom, how they should participate in the different roles, and how the different roles such as a judge, attorney, and witness should conduct themselves. Finally, throughout the 2 weeks I spent in the mock trial class, I participated in numerous different cases, most of which I played different roles and had different responsibilities. The first of which being Texas versus Casey Bryant case. To summarize it, it was followed by defendant Casey Bryant, who was been charged with deadly conduct and texting while driving after slamming into a child with her car. In this case, I was a witness, Corey Keene, and then the second round I served as the defense counsel or defense attorney. Second case, the mistaken taken flash drive. This was a mini trial we had, which I served as the prosecutor for Donna B. Mixer. This was a civil case and resulted after 2 cell phone company employees mixed up each other's flash drives. Third was the state of North Carolina versus Drew Delaney. In this case, I again played as a defense attorney, and this case resulted after a track accident when a student had passed after overheating. And finally, one of our more recent trials, the state of New Justice versus Jackson, which we did earlier today, in which I played as the witness, Chris Jones. This case was the end result of a fatal car crash near high school. Overall, I had a lot of fun at the Duke Pre-College program. I had an amazing instructor and a great TA. I learned a lot and I met a lot of great people. And overall, I definitely come back here. Thank you.